Somebody say math and logic? How do math and logic go together? Well, that's the goal of this newest module. So over these next few days, we're going to be studying how we can connect mathematics with logical ideas. So we're going to talk about propositions and truth. We're going to talk about truth tables. We're going to talk about De Morgan's rules, argument forms, and finally Venn diagrams. Now, if you kind of remember from probably something like SAT preparation, you may remember some Venn diagrams and things like that. Our goal is to make it very practical. This is not exam preparation. This is giving you ideas about how to utilize logic in meaningful ways. The goal is to make this very practical for real life. And the idea is that if you understand logic very well, it's much harder to be fooled. And that is a great benefit, but it's also just something that's extremely enriching. So as we go through this module, please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help. Enjoy the journey. Math and infinity, and I can't keep that up an infinite number of times. It's not going to happen. So the idea is that when we talk about math and infinity, we're talking about something. I cannot keep that up an infinite number of times. And that's the reality of when we talk about math and infinity. We're talking about something that can't be repeated an infinite number of times. But yet, the concept of infinity is something that we see in life and we face all the time. So it's something that we need to understand. And math gives us a perfect language to talk about this impossible thing of infinite. It'd be lovely if we made an infinite amount of money. It'd be lovely if we had an infinite amount of time, but we don't for either. So how do we address the very real constraints that we're faced and at the same time explain this idea that we all know of having so big of something, so many of something, that we can kind of refer to it as infinity? I hope that you'll enjoy the journey this week. Ask me any questions that pop up. Enjoy the trip.